Hey, I just saw the job invitation. I didn't just see it, but I saw it earlier. And I noticed you mentioned N8N Proficiency, so I whipped up a lead organization, documentation, and follow-up ecosystem within N8N using Slack as well as Google Sheets. And I wanted to show it to you to demonstrate my fit for this role for you. I thank you for the invitation, and let me show you how this works. So it has three parts: a daily reminder system, a follow-up system, and a lead filtering, normalization, and documentation system. And I'll demonstrate this first. It can take any webhook. This can be Facebook ads, Instagram ads, any type of lead. But I'll just use this form submission just because it makes it simple for the data. Let's do John. Let's do Jack. Let's do Jack at exampleemail.com. And just to show you the normalization, I will make some random things capital, Jack, and then, hey. Message. So this is simulating any type of any type of lead generation system. It normalizes the data. It checks for spam with a set of preset conditions that are alterable. It gets the duplicate emails, which just checks if this lead has already been documented, and if it hasn't, it'll filter it into. It'll go to Slack, inform Slack of new lead. So if I go to my Slack and I go to immediate incoming leads, a new lead came in 7:10 p.m. It'll tell us, and then it'll log the lead in this Google Sheet for documentation purposes. Give the timestamp, email, and message. It'll also put it in your interaction log where you store everything, not just leads. Close that. Add initial interaction, so it'll define it as the first interaction, and then it'll email myself about the new lead, or it could be the company. But if I go to my inbox, I should have a new lead, yes. Message, hey, so I get the email. This can be filtered, this can be altered, this can be made prettier if you'd like. It's just how I made it. And then it thanks the new lead. So it emails the new lead, hey, thank you for contacting us. But if this was a duplicate lead, so say Jack texts us again. What I say, Jack at exampleemail.com. Checking. Thanks for that. It works. So Jack follows up. It should now filter into the duplicate email, log duplicate email. I don't know what happened here. Probably changed some fields. Yeah. So I changed some of my Google Sheets fields, which just made it freak out, but should be working fine. Yeah. So it should work now. Just had to update that. Log the duplicate email interaction, and then it'll actually email me again. Hey, Jack followed up. What this system down here does is at 7:30 every day, it can be altered, of course. It checks all new leads, and it informs Slack, hey, yesterday you got this many leads, here they are. So I'll run that right now. This code node organizes it into just a pretty little message for Slack. But if I go to Slack, daily incoming lead, this should have just come in. Leads past 24 hours. Jack came in, and notice how it's just one message, even though Jack came in twice. So that's helpful. It filters that. And what this does down here is it finds the message needing follow-up. So it checks the timestamp of the message. If it's been a set amount of time, say 1 day, 3 days, whatever you'd like, it will tell Slack, hey, this needs a follow-up. So if I run that, currently there's none, but if I change the date of this message right here in the interaction log to say January, and as you can see, no CRM interactions, so that's what defines it. And then I run this again. It'll go from this to up here. Find the message, need follow-up. So it tells Slack, need follow-up. Leads need to follow up. Jack, because it's been a month, because I just changed it to January, but big red alarm, you need to follow up here. And then what this does down here is just a follow-up system so that N8N can document when you follow up with certain emails. So I'll just run that right now. So I go down here, if I copy this email, yes, of course. So it'll normalize the data, inform Slack, follow it up. Jack got followed up with, log it, update it, and then send the email, send the actual follow up. If you would like to see the logging, here it is. CRM messages, yes, of course we can do that. Yes, of course we can do that. Logs it for everything. And yeah, I'm filling out your proposal right now. I'm honored to get it, and I hope this demonstrated my proficiency, and you consider me. Thank you.